Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate from School 1057 in San Marcos, California, and today we are going to be doing a balloon blow-up science experiment. Now I know what you're thinking, you can blow up a balloon with the air from your lungs. But my friends, today we are going to be blowing up balloons using ingredients that we can find in our very own kitchen. So to start this experiment, you will need a plastic bottle. Now I'm blowing up 2 balloons today, so I have 2 bottles. You'll also need some balloons, some baking soda, and a 1/3 cup of vinegar for each bottle that you're using. So I use white vinegar, but you can use any kind of vinegar that you want. Apple cider vinegar will also work. And I also have some funnels just to make it easier to get all of the ingredients in the bottles and the balloons properly without making a mess. So to start, I'm going to put a funnel into each of my bottles. And I'm going to pour 1/3 cup of vinegar into my first bottle. And by using the funnel, I am making sure that the vinegar gets to the bottom of the bottle without getting on the edges. And then I'm going to set that aside. Now, I'm going to take another 1/3 cup of vinegar and put it in my second bottle. And then I'm also going to set that one aside. The next step, my friends, is to take some baking soda and put it into your balloons. So I'm going to take a mini funnel and I'm going to put it in the hole of my balloon just to make it easier. And then I'm going to measure out 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm going to make sure to pour this in very, very slowly because I noticed that when I try to do it all at once, it jams up the funnel and then it's very hard to get into the balloon. So just funnel it in very slowly. And then you can set that aside. And I'm going to do the same thing with my second balloon. Just put it in the hole of the balloon, measure out 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and funnel it in slowly. Okay, once you are done with that, you can set that aside, and now it's time to put the balloons onto the bottles. Now for this part, you want to be very, very careful not to get the baking soda into the bottle until it is time. So I'm going to start by taking the lip of the balloon and putting it over the bottle. Being really careful not to spill the baking soda into the bottle yet. I'm going to do that with both of my balloons. Okay, and once you have them both on both bottles, you can lift up the balloons and put the baking soda into the vinegar and see what happens. Now my friends, do you think that when the vinegar mixes with the baking soda, it'll blow up the balloon? Let's find out if it really works. I'm going to pour both in. And my friends, you can see the balloons are blowing up all by themselves. Now, when the vinegar mixes with the baking soda, it creates a reaction, and that reaction creates carbon dioxide. So when you mix vinegar and baking soda together, it makes carbon dioxide, which is a gas, and that gas blows up the balloons. And now, my friends, do you see the message I wrote on my balloons? It says, "Hi, my friends." H-I for hi, M-Y for my, and F-R-I-E-N-D-S for friends. Can you see that? Maybe if I move the balloons a little bit, it'll be a little bit easier. Hi, my friends. So you can do this experiment at home if you have balloons, plastic bottles, some vinegar, and some baking soda. And then you can just do this experiment at home and see, Does the balloon blow up all by itself? Does it really work? I hope you guys had so much fun watching the science experiment and that you get a chance to do it at home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!